guys, natin problem about sa Kerr's theorem or Stokes theorem. So, in an advanced fluid dynamic lab, researchers are studying the behavior of a fluid in the presence of the magnetic field. The fluid's velocity field V is affected by the magnetic field B, which is described by the vector field. Nabla cross product of B is equals to y squared I hat plus z squared j hat plus x squared k hat. The researchers are interested in understanding the rotational characteristics of this magnetic field. To do this, they need to calculate the curl of the magnetic field. Nabla cross product of B. So una na sa gamitan na is mag-matrix ta. So nabla cross product of B is equals to cross product sa I hat, which is partial over partial derivative of x. Sunod ang atong I hat, which is y squared. Sunod atong j hat, natay partial derivative over partial derivative of y. Ang nasa y, nasa j hat is z squared. Ang sunod k hat, derivative naman, partial derivative naman sa z. Ang nasa k hat is x squared. So ang sunod nato ang limawan is atong isa-isahon o kuha pag cross product. So natay I hat times kani asya partial derivative over partial derivative sa y times x squared. So diretso na nato natay partial derivative of x squared over partial derivative of y. Sunod minus ta kani ang partial derivative over partial derivative sa z times z squared. So partial derivative z squared over partial derivative sa z. Tapos minus na punta para sa j hat times partial derivative ani is kani over partial derivative of x times x squared. So partial derivative times x squared over partial derivative of x minus kani partial derivative over partial derivative z times y squared. So pero times na tato y squared over partial derivative of z plus plus k hat times kaya na po siya equals na to. So partial derivative of x z squared over partial derivative of x minus partial derivative ano ito. So partial derivative of y squared over partial derivative of y. Sunod atong i-evaluate tanan kani automatic na siya 0. So natay I hat times 0 minus ang partial derivative ani niya is 2z minus kani j hat times ang kaniya siya ang partial derivative ani niya is 2x minus 0 plus k hat times kani 0 na siya kani y squared at 2y minus 2y. Sa ato na nato i-simplify tanan, may muna na siya negative 2z I hat minus 2x j hat minus 2y k hat. So ang atong nabla cross product of B is negative 2z I hat minus 2x j hat minus 2y k hat. Mara to lang.